Supplyhouse.com is an e-commerce company that provides plumbing, heating, and electrical supplies to trade professionals. As an e-commerce company, Supplyhouse.com fulfillment centers are the key to our success. The fulfillment center team works to ensure our customers receive the right products on time. We're looking for pickers and packers to join our team and help us fulfill our customers' orders. Pickers scan and pick items from a customer's order using an RF scan gun, then deliver the items to the pack team.
I like that I get to move around. I've never really been interested in sitting around all day, so it's nice that you get your steps in. I also really like learning about the products that we're picking when we're out picking them. I've come to realize that a lot of these are vital products to our customers, and so when you're picking something, you may be having a hand in fixing someone's AC in the middle of the summer.
Packers examine the product SKUs, weights, and quantities before packing to ensure the correct items are being shipped. Then they will package, seal, label, and stack the boxes for shipment.
The role as a packer is to make sure our items are as secure and well packed as possible to make shipments over to the customers so that they're in one piece for being at the customer's front doorstep.
Our positions require the ability to lift items between 10 pounds to 50 pounds, and occasionally beyond this. So working in a fulfillment center can be physically demanding. You'd be expected to work in a fast-paced environment, lift heavy items, and walk approximately 20,000 steps a day. So if you're someone who likes to be physically active and on your feet, then this job is for you. Fulfillment center team members also receive competitive pay, paid holidays, and vacation time. Cater breakfasts and lunches once a month, and Supplyhouse.com offers 100% company-paid medical insurance and a 401k with company match. Supplyhouse.com's core values make up the acronym GRIT, which means that our company culture revolves around generosity, respect, innovation, and teamwork. We're passionate about giving back to our community and to the industry we serve. Creating a safe and comfortable work environment for our team is incredibly important to us, so we regularly hold company events and activities like company picnics and year-end celebrations to help build relationships and celebrate the team.
What I love most about working at Supply House is the environment. The people that we work with are wonderful. You can go to any manager or another warehouse worker such as myself, and everyone will treat you the same, and they will be kind and they will be helpful. What I would say to someone considering applying for a fulfillment center position, it would be a great idea. It's a great decision. I haven't regretted it a day.
If you would like to join our wonderful team and work in a Supplyhouse.com fulfillment center, apply today.